Today we are discussing the chapter is inverse trigonometry. Let's see synopsis here. Here all of you know the domain and the range. Let us see how many trigonometric functions we have. First here there are 6 inverse trigonometric functions we have. That is sine inverse x, next cos inverse x, next tan inverse x, next cot inverse x, next cosecant inverse x, and it is the last one is secant inverse x. Okay. Now see here we have 6 inverse trigonometric functions. Now what are the domains and what are the range? Here range means it is nothing but is principal value. Okay. Now see these are the functions. Now I am writing here what is the domain, and here this I am writing here range. The domain of the sine inverse x function is minus 1 to 1, which is closed interval, and the range of the sine inverse x function is closed interval of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and in the same way cos inverse x is minus 1 to 1, which is closed interval. Next this one also is closed interval of 0 to pi. Next, coming to the tan inverse x. The domain of the tan inverse x is real numbers, and the range of the tan inverse x is open interval of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. In the same way, cot inverse x also. That is, domain of cot inverse x is real numbers, and the range of the cot inverse x is open interval of 0 to pi. Next, in the same way, cosecant inverse of x. The domain of this one is real numbers minus the open interval minus 1 to 1, and the range of this one is open interval of is closed interval of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus 0, and for the secant inverse x, that is r minus open interval of minus 1 comma 1. Next, for this one also closed interval of 0 to pi minus pi by 2. These are the domain and the range for the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. Let us see some formulas here. Basic formulas. All of you know here. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Okay. All of you know this one. Basic formulas in the inverse trigonometry. In the same way, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. All of you know this one. Next, another one is secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to also pi by 2. Okay, these are the basic formulas in the inverse trigonometry. Now come to the comparative level. Suppose here I am taking sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to some suppose theta I am taking. Now what is the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y? That is pi minus theta. Okay. Now here suppose I am taking this one formula. Next come to this one. Suppose I am taking cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to theta. Then what is the value of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y? then sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. It is also pi minus theta. In the same way, we can take tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Suppose I am taking like this. Suppose here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to theta. Then what is the value of cot inverse x plus cot inverse y? It is pi minus theta. In this way, we can write shortcut formulas. Okay. How to apply these formulas? Suppose in the CET level, he may ask the questions like, suppose here it is sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to, suppose 38 is. Now what is the value of cos inverse x plus cos inverse y? This is the question. Now what is the formula for cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is? It is pi minus theta. Pi is here, it is 180. 180 minus theta, what is theta value? 30 degrees. 180 minus 30 is 150 degrees. In this way, we can find the values. These are the shortcut formulas. Now see here, all the formulas. Suppose I am taking sin inverse of a by x plus sin inverse of b by x is equal to, suppose it is 5 by 2. It is sin inverse of a by x plus sin inverse of b by x equal to 5 by 2. Then we can write the x value is equal to root of a square plus b square. This is the shortcut formulas. In the same way, we can take in the tan inverse. That is the tan inverse of a by x plus tan inverse of b by x is equal to pi by 2. Then what we can write? X equal to root of ab. These are the shortcut formulas. And one more thing. Suppose we can write here, if any problem, not on this one, any problem in the form of tan inverse of p by q plus tan inverse of q minus p by q plus p. This value is directly is pi by 4. How to apply this formula as a shortcut formula? See here, suppose I am taking this value, that is find the value of tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Actually, what we will do here, we can apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Instead of that one, we can apply this shortcut formula. See here, actually what is the formula here? Tan inverse of p by q plus tan inverse of q minus p by q plus p. Now here, just on comparing here, what is the p value is? Here p value is 3 and what is the q value is 4. Now compare here, it is in the form of p by q, p value is 3 and q value is 4. Now come to here, that is tan inverse of q minus p, this is the q. Here p value is 3, q value is 4. That is q minus p, that is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. Next, at the denominator, what is the value of q plus p? What is the q here? 4. P is 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now, this problem entirely is in the form of this one. So the final answer is directly, you can write it is pi by 4 without writing the formula for this one. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, no need to use here. Without using that formula, you can find that answer. Like that. Okay. Now see some problems here. Let us see some problems here. The first one is the domain of log e base sin inverse x is option A open interval 0, close interval 1. Option B and option C is open interval of 0 to infinity. Option D is minus infinity to 0. Now here, see here. First I have to check here which function we have. It is a logarithmic function. In the logarithmic function, which function we have? Inverse trigonometric function. Now here what we have to find here? This domain we have to find. Okay? So all of you know basic thing. What is the basic thing is the domain of sin inverse x is how much it is? Minus 1 to 1, which is closed interval. That is for this one sin inverse of x. But here not only is sin inverse x, it is the log of sin inverse x. For this one, how to find the domain? If you observe it here, in the log there is, we can't take negative values. We can't take negative values. Suppose this is the thing actually, it is a number line here. Suppose it is a 0, it is minus 1, it is plus 1. Okay? So here we can't take negative values. So can I erase these all? I am erasing these all values. And we can take from 0 to 1. But I am saying this, we can't take 0 also. Because log 0 is not defined. Log 0 value is not defined. That's why I am not taking 0. So after 0, we can take any value. That's why the interval is open interval of 0 and we can take 1 also. That is closed interval of 1. That's why the answer is option A. Okay? Now, second problem is the value of tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. Answer is option A1, option B 0, option C 7 by 17, option D minus 7 by 17. Okay. Now see here. Here it is, the format is tan of 2 tan inverse. I am considering this one 1 by 5 as x. Yes, I am choosing 1 by 5 as x minus pi by 4. When we have this format, that means actually as a board level you can simplify this one everything. But we are teaching here competitive. That's why we have to take shortcut formulas only. So now I am taking it 1 by 5 as x. So when any problem is in the form of this one, we can write shortcut formula is minus of x square plus 2x minus 1 by x square minus 2x minus 1. The answer is. Now what is the x value here? X value is 1 by 5. And now you can simplify this one. So all of you know how to simplification. So the answer may be D. If you simplify, you will get the answer is minus 7 by 17. And what is x value is? X value is 1 by 5. Now we can simplify this one. Now come to the another problem. tan inverse 1 by a plus b plus tan inverse of b by a square plus ab plus 1 is equal to, now option A, option B 1 by a, option C B, option D 1 by B. See here we have to find the value of tan inverse 1 by a plus b plus tan inverse of b by a square plus ab plus 1. By seeing this one, which formula you can apply? That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse b. We have to apply the formula is that one. But no need to apply that formula. Instead of applying that formula, we can use the shortcut way. Suppose I am choosing here if you observe here, in the question there is AB. In the options also there is AB. That's why for the A values and B values I am choosing the values. Suppose A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. Substitute here. Now what is the answer of the given question is, that is tan inverse of tan inverse. Now it is A value is 0, that is 0, B value is 1 plus tan inverse of B value is 1, that is 1 by, that is A square is 0 plus A into B, that is 1 into 0, it is 0 plus 1, that is tan inverse of 1 by 0 plus 1 is 1, that is 1 by 1 is 1, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 plus here also 1 by 0 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1, 1 by 1 is 1, that is tan inverse of 1 is, again it is pi by 4, that is tan of pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that is 45 plus 45, that is 90. Tan 90, what is the tan 90 value? 95. Okay, now question, that means if you substitute A value 0, B value 1, the question answer is 95. Now substitute these values in the options, which is matching for the given question answer, that is the answer. Now substitute here. Now what is the A value? This is 0, but we got the answer is 95, so it is the wrong option. Okay, now come to here, 1 by A, that is 1 by, what is the A value? 0, so 1 by 0, it is not defined, so both answers are matching, so it may be the answer. Okay, now we have to check the remaining also, that is what is the B value? B value is 1, but we got the answer is not defined, that's why this option is wrong. Next, come to this one, that is 1 by, what is the B value is 1, substitute here, 1 by 1 is 1, so it is also wrong answer. So what is the correct answer is B. Okay, in this way we can solve this type of problems. Now come to the fourth problem. If sine inverse of x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 4 and so on plus cos inverse of x square minus x power 4 by 2 plus x power 6 by 4 and so on is equal to pi by 2. Then the value of x, what is the value of x? Okay. Option A 1 by 2, option B 1, option C minus 1 by 2, option D minus 1. Now come to this one. Already we have one formula. Which formula you can remember by seeing this one? Remove this one. What is the inside function? Leave that one. First see this one. Sin inverse plus cos inverse is equal to pi by 2. So it is in which form it is? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So when the sum of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2, when the both the values are same, here is x, here also x. When the both the values are same, then only it is pi by 2. That is the formula is this one. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. In the same way, you can take this one also. Sin inverse of y, I am changing the variable. Sin inverse of y plus cos inverse of y, it is also pi by 2. Just if these two are same, then this value is pi by 2. But here what is given? Already this value is pi by 2. That means these both are equal. What you can write? These both are equal. So I am taking that one. Both are equal. It is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 4 and so on is equal to x square minus x square by 2 plus x power 6 by 4 and so on. These both are equal, he is saying. For which value of x these both are equal? Suppose out of these all values, which is simple, these are simple. Suppose I am choosing x equal to 1. Substitute here, x value is 1 minus x square, 1 square is 1. Next plus 1 by 4 and so on is equal to again x square 1 minus x power 4, sorry, it is x power 4, 1 power 4 it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on. Now compare here, both are equal or not? For which value of x it is both are equal? For x value is 1. So correct answer is B. Now come to the other problem is cross here. Next, fifth problem. Sin inverse of 3 by x plus sin inverse of 4 by x is equal to pi by 2. Then x equal to option A is 6, option B is 7. Option C is 8, option D is 5. Now see here, what is given here? Sin inverse of 3 by x plus sin inverse of 4 by x equal to pi by 2. It is in which form it is? Already I give the formula. Some synopsis I given. It is sin inverse of a by x plus sin inverse of b by x is equal to pi by 2. It is pi by 2. Then what is the x value is? Directly that is root of a square plus b square. Now once compare here, what is the a value? Here a value is 3. Now what is the b value? B value is 4. Now substitute here, it is x equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square. That is 9 plus 16. That is root of 25. It is 5. The option is D. Okay. Now come to the sixth problem. Now see here, tan inverse of 1 plus sin x by cos x is equal to option A pi by 4 minus x by 2, Option B, pi by 4 minus 6. Option C, pi by 4 plus 6. Option D, pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now see, we have to find the value of tan inverse of 1 plus sin x by cos x. Okay. So if you observe here, in the question the term x is there, in the options also the term x is there. So when we have these type, just like even when we have these a b, in the question also there is a b, in the answer also there is a b. In that question what we done? We assign the some values of a b. In the same way, here in the question also there is x, in the answer also there is x. In this way, we can substitute some value of x. That is, suppose I am taking here x values, I am choosing x values 30 degrees. You can choose other value also, but I am choosing here 30 degrees. Now substitute, that is, I am solving the question, that is tan inverse 1 plus sin 30 by cos 30. That is tan inverse of 1 plus sin 30 value is 1 by 2 by cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Now that is tan inverse of 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 by root 3 by 2 degree cancel here. And the what is the remaining one is tan inverse of 3 by root 3 is root 3 times cancel here. That is tan inverse of root 3. It is equal to 60 degrees. That means if you solve this question by substituting x value 30 degrees, you can get the answer is 60 degrees. In the same way, substitute 30 degrees in the given options also. Okay. Now come to here. So pi by 4 is half, it is 45 degrees. 45. What is x value is 30 degrees. 30 by 2 is 15. So 45 minus 15 is 30 degrees. What we got the answer is 60 degrees. That's why it is wrong. Next come to this one. Pi by 4 is, that is 45 minus x value is 30 degrees. 45 degrees minus 30 degrees is 15 degrees. So it is also wrong because the answer is 60 degrees. Now come to this one. So pi by 4 is 45 plus x value is 30 degrees. That is 75 degrees. But the answer is 60 degrees. So it is also wrong. Now come to the last one. So pi by 4 is 45 degrees plus x by 2. That is 30 by 2. That is 15 degrees. So 45 plus 15 is 60 degrees. So both are matching. So option is, answer is D. Okay. Let's come to the other column.